Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi showing a network error, refusing to connect, or saying this service is not available even though you're in the US? Here's what to check right now from your iPhone settings. First, check if any VPN is running. Go to your settings and then scroll down and tap on General. Then go to VPN and Device Management. If any VPN shows a green connected status, tap it and disconnect it. After that, open any VPN app that you've installed and make sure it is completely off and not just paused. Now, go back to the settings and then check that your iPhone's date and time is set to automatic. Go to General, go to date and time and make sure set automatically is turned on. If your clock is wrong, Kalsi's authentication system will reject your connection and show a network error. After both of these checks, go to settings again and then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and turn it back off. This will force a completely fresh network connection. Then you'll have to reopen Kalshi. If all of these are correct and Kalshi still shows a connection error, check for Kalsi's server issues in the Downdetector.com, and that's it. All you gotta do is go to settings, VPN and device management, disconnect VPN, fix date and time to automatic, airplane mode reset, check Downdetector, Kalshi will connect, and that's it. Subscribe.